I'm Meera Kaneria. I make a fashion videos every week on YouTube. So today in this video, first of all, I want to thank you all for such a huge response on my previous video, that is part 1 of my pajama series. I was so glad to see all the comments, reviews and everything. Thank you so much. So we are on the next part of my pajama series, in which we are going to convert my pajama into a cool trendy top. So if we talk about the fabric of my pajama, I really don't know which fabric is this, but this fabric is so flowy. So if you make anything from this fabric, it will just flow it down. So you have to make sure that your pajama is of which fabric before you start anything. Another thing which I wanted to tell you guys, that this pajama has checkered designs on it. So basically this is called gingham. I don't know what it is called, but Zara introduced this trend recently. There you will get everything like gingham skirt, gingham top, gingham t-shirt. So basically gingham is a material which has checkered designs on it, and from which your all outfits are made. So yeah, let's start experimenting. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's jump into the video. Okay, so let's start with the process. For this, of course, you need is your pajama, scissor, fabric glue, rubber bands, few safety pins and needle and thread. Measure the length of the tube top you want. So for me, I want is like above the belly section. So I'm going to mark it with the safety pins and cut the fabric. After this, I'm going to remove the pockets from both of the ends, but as you see, I cannot stick the fabric together using a fabric glue, so I'm going to shift to the plan B, which is hand stitching. I'm going to stitch both the sides using a black thread. After this, as you see, there is already one loop on the above section for inserting the rubber band, but there is no loop below. So I'm going to create a loop for the rubber band even on the below section, because I'm thinking to make it like a balloon top, like above there will be rubber band and even below itself. So yeah. Next step is to insert the rubber band, but I do not have any hole opening from where I can insert the rubber band, so I'm going to make a small cut on both of the loops so that I can insert the rubber band through safety pin. And at last we are going to stitch both the ends using thread. And your tube top is ready. Next is for the sleeves, and for this also I am going to do a loop on the narrow section and going to insert the rubber band over there. Next, I thought of making a ruffles on the sleeves, but as you see, I cannot make the ruffles, so I dropped the idea and left the sleeves as it is by cutting uneven sections of the sleeves and made it even. Okay, so here's the outcome of my thrift flip. I think this is the best I can do with this fabric. I don't know that if ruffles would look more better for the sleeves or not. If you know, then do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, I'm fully satisfied with it. Yes, even I can wear the tube top along with my denims or shorts, but to give the 90s vibes, I can even pair my bell sleeves with something else, that is black crop top or something like that. Okay, so we are at the end of this video, but before ending this video, I would like to share with you guys few things. First thing is, you cannot use fabric glue for this type of material. You can just stitch the fabric, but you cannot stick it together using fabric glue. Second is, this fabric is so difficult to handle with hand stitch, because I feel that when you just hold this fabric and try to stitch it together, it just slips away from your hand and you are just unable to do that. Therefore, I suggest you to do very simple designs on this fabric and do not do very complex type of designs, because I know this fabric is not going to handle your stitches. So make sure let it be flowy and let it be as it is. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, do not forget to check out the links below in the description box, and do let me know in the comment below which gingham outfit is in your wardrobe. I would love to see your replies, and we'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then, bye bye.